Squisita dell'anima, ogni giorno della vita, il cammino di lotta, desidera raggiungere la liberazione.
It's raining. Oh, what a beautiful sensation. We've been waiting for this for so long. We didn't even hear it from inside the house. We were actually watering. We'd been watering for about an hour. I opened up the door and it started raining. So nice. Wow. Massey's just woken up. He looks like the mad professor from his afternoon siesta. So Massey's decided he wants to pick the grapes. They're definitely ready, aren't they?
Not all of them, yeah.
Oh, okay. So some are still not
ready.
Okay. Wow.
Look at them.
Let's have a look. Beautiful. So we said goodbye to everybody this morning. Everyone left. My daughter, my sister and her family. They've been here for 3 weeks. My daughter's been here for 2 weeks. It was lovely having them over. We had a lot of fun. We spent Ferragosto together and now they're going back to England. So we're back to our daily routines and our daily chores. And yeah, now we're going to sort the birds out because we're taking the birds that we had in the house into the little aviary that Massey built, and we're releasing one of the roosters out. Okay, so we've let the chickens out of the little cage and now they're in a bigger cage here. So we've got 2 girls and 3 boys. We had to release the other boy out completely because they were hurting him. I don't know where he is right now. He's somewhere with his daddy. Oh, there he is. He seems to be pretty happy. So we're going to let him wander around because they were attacking him. It's funny how you can't have too many roosters together. So anyway, now Massey's taking his little birds. How many birds have you got here, babe? 4 birds. What type of birds are they?
You got finches.
Finches.
And you've got a canary.
Cute.
And then you've got a Japanese. It's a Japanese. It's not a finch. It's a Japanese.
Can't remember, can you? Anyway, it's a bird. So what Massey wants to do is he wants to take them out of this little cage here and put them into this nice big one. And they're inside a bigger cage with the chickens. Oh, this is our organization at the moment. They are so cute. Let me have a look at it.
He's the cutest one there is.
Oh my goodness.
He's very cute.
Oh, there you go. Let's make sure that thing's closed. Make sure. Yeah. Quick.
Okay.
Let's have a look. Oh, so cute.
You don't want to frighten him.
No, put him in. So hard. You got it. So good. A hand here. 2 hands. You got him. Okay, let me have a look at her.
He's the
Him
best.
or her?
I love this one.
Oh, he's got a different colour beak.
Yeah.
The other one's prettier though. Oh, sweet. How nice. They seem to be happy. They've got all their bits here, their food. Massey's going to give them some cuttlefish.
Yep. Cuttlefish bird.
They love that, don't they? So these gazebos, we were quite lucky because they were throwing them out, and so Massey used them and made a nice quite big aviary for the chickens. And yeah, we sorted everything out. Are you happy, Mas, with how?
Yeah, I'm gonna obviously fix up the inner cage. I'm gonna put some more branches and what have you, and more perching space. I'm gonna put some breeding boxes in, so if they're gonna start breeding soon.
You reckon they're gonna breed?
Yeah.
I valori si risvegliano per un breve momento di confusione. Si pratica la conoscenza della verità. Si raggiunge
Buongiorno!
Good morning.
So we are on our way to the beach. We actually haven't been to the beach in a while and we're getting withdrawal symptoms. We have my son and his family behind us, following us. And we're going to go to our favorite beach, which is La Marchesa, Sentiero del Gesuminetto. We are coming up towards the end of August and everyone has gone away, as we said earlier on. And we've made some sandwiches and we're just going to spend half a day at the beach, which is really, really nice. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy today, so it's not going to be one of those lovely hot days. It's going to be a bit windy. Very nice day because it's not too hot, so it's bearable.
Nice.
I believe.
I love it when it's windy. Yeah. And we were just talking about something, me and Massi, about a lot of people that put out negative things about Sicily or Italy in general. And it sort of irritates us because we are positive. We are very positive. We try to be positive in everything we do and it works for us.
Yeah, well, we try and be positive. Obviously, you can't always be positive. There's obviously ups and downs in life.
100%.
But some people, when they make comments or when they make videos, sometimes other people that just put videos out there, they got a negative look into Italy or Sicily.
In general, yeah.
I'd say if you come here first time, you don't like it, don't come back. Or otherwise, if you keep coming back, keep moaning. Well, the problem isn't Italy. You're the problem.
Yeah. What's the point of coming back and moaning? We know that Sicily in general isn't perfect. There's a lot of problems with the rubbish. There's a lot of problem with a few people that can be quite rude. But overall, the place is absolutely breathtaking, amazing.
Absolutely.
And there's no other place in the world like Sicily. It's unique in everything, in its cuisine, culture.
You know, like that saying goes in the Jungle Book, always look on the brighter side of life.
Yep. And that's how we are. And we refuse to say horrible things about it. We continue to have our videos and to make it look absolutely amazing like it really is.
So you people can enjoy what we do.
Yep.
We do enjoy it for you.
Yeah, because we don't want you to watch our videos and us moaning and groaning about, the situation here. We love it. We're enjoying. We're in our 50s. We're living our best life ever.
That's what it's all about. After a certain age, you should just look positive. Be negative when you have to be, but not always.
Not always. Anyway, that's just our little thought of the day.
Always look on the brighter side of life.
L'anima interiore si risveglia, ogni azione. La crescita dell'anima, ogni giorno della vita, il cammino di lotta, desidera raggiungere la liberazione. I valori si risvegliano per un breve momento di confusione.
Have you ever asked yourself what makes you happy? I mean, really happy, not just a fleeting mood, but a deep sense of satisfaction. For Massi and I, it's not a complete absence of negative emotions that makes us happy, but a good balance where positive emotions outweigh negative ones, and one feels like they can cope with difficult challenges. Being physically and mentally healthy is extremely important to us too. Family has a huge role in our well-being. Being able to see and interact with our children and our grandchildren gives us a deep joy and fulfillment. Creativity like art, photography, filming, writing and music allows us to express our inner thoughts and helps us to overcome boredness or sadness. The art of cooking from scratch, setting a table and eating together gives us so much joy. the sun, the sea, the rain, a fire in winter, a cup of coffee makes us happy. And you, what makes you happy?
So as you can see, we're actually trying to break through the wall and the fence, because we are not in our property, but we are in the property next to our property, so the land next door. And the news is my sister and my brother-in-law have purchased this land. They did this in August, just before the 7th of August, because everybody was going on holiday. They had this fantastic, we saw this deal that the neighbor was selling, and we told my sister, and she was like, I want it straight away. So obviously we're going to be sort of the custodians of the land while my sister is in England, you know, because they don't have anybody here to help them do that. So I am trying to cut the lawn, and Masi, as I said, is breaking through, so we don't have to go up and down the ladder to get over to the property, because it's really awkward. So we can have a nice gate built. So he's doing that, and then we'll get a gate put on, so I can just walk in with the key and come out. How wonderful. I have my sister, my brother-in-law and their family staying over next door, so she doesn't have to go and rent expensive property. She has this little place that she can stay in. So the land is just as big as ours, but it has way more oranges and lemons. In fact, we always used to come over and pick. The ex-owner gave us a key, and we could come over and pick as many oranges and lemons as we liked. And now we have full access, which is wonderful, to look after this land. So we've got double trouble now, hey Mas? We got double trouble. Not only ours, but we have my sister's and my brother-in-law's.
Your sister bought us a job.
Hey?
Your sister bought us a job.
Yeah, she gave us more work to do. Thanks, Lisa and Tom. But anyway, no, we love working, especially on the land. So yeah, how are we going to manage with this tube now, the water tube? Isn't that going to be a problem?
No, I'm going to put it down low.
You're going to put it on the floor, on the
down
ground. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I won't have to climb over that ladder, because it was really awkward. Oh wow, that was fast. Great.
It was half fallen down anyway, so now it gives me
Yeah,
an excuse
that's
to
good.
fix
This
it
is
up.
exactly.
What are you going to say?
Smells nice.
Did you use the chipola super?
Hi guys, today will show you something of this beautiful city.
Yes, that's it. So I'm waiting for the sauce to boil. It's going to take another sort of 20 minutes or so. I will then leave it in its pot overnight just to cool down, and tomorrow I will store them away, and that sauce will do us all winter, which is amazing. We went for a nice swim, we had some pasta with the fresh sauce, and now I'm going to go for a little rest, and then I have to get ready and we both have to go to work. So I'm back at work after 1 week off, and I had a lovely week, but obviously had to get back to work. I only have 2 hours this afternoon, so it's not too bad. This episode is about happiness, and I wanted to figure out what was it about Sicily that made us happy. So I decided to interview also a few locals, and I asked them the same question: what is it about living in Sicily that makes you happy? So I'll let you see these interviews. Si chiama lei, signore?
Come ti chiami? Io Pippo.
Pippo, ok. Lei?
Io Pietro.
Pietro, ok. Allora la domanda è semplice: cos'è che ti rende felice vivendo in Sicilia?
Vivendo quando ci sono, cioè, cose antiche, divertimento, tipo faccio mare, mentre a Floridia non c'è niente.
Ah, ok, quindi lei dice a Floridia
non c'è niente spettacoli quest'anno. Perché cose da Saracusa, Catania. Sicilia è bella, ma non per Floridia. Bella, Floridia è un paese ricco.
Ok. Avete mai vissuto all'estero o siete sempre stati qua?
No, io all'estero mi ha fatto un militare, a Australia c'è stato.
Ah, Australia, ok.
6 mesi.
E cosa ti mancava la Sicilia quando eri in Australia?
A meglio terra, io ci dico a dialetto mio, a meglio terra è una nasce.
Ecco.
Magari che mangiano da meno, però una nasce, a meglio terra.
È vero. Però è felice, no? Che qua.
Io sono contentissimo.
E cosa ti rende? Vedi una passeggiata il pomeriggio con il suo amico qua in piazza, ti fa felice, no?
Sì, sì.
So this is Milena, she's the secretary where I work, and she's a lovely lady, and I'm gonna ask her what makes her happy living in Sicily, because Milena used to live in Germany, and so it's good to understand somebody who's lived abroad and then come back to their own country.
Sì, diciamo che ho girato un pochino e sicuramente quello che mi ha riportato nella mia amata terra è il sole, il mare, il buon cibo, e la vita in generale, perché comunque si sta bene, si vive bene e la gente è molto calorosa, non che non l'abbia trovato a Milano e in Germania, per carità, non posso dire questo, però la Sicilia è la Sicilia, quindi venite perché è veramente uno spettacolo.
Thank you.
Un bacio.
Bye.
Ciao ciao.
So this is one of my students, his name is Nicola, and I'm going to ask the same questions to Nicola.
I think that the weather, the food and the history.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. We hope you've enjoyed it, and see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima!